Hey crafty cuties, welcome to my messy desk. You're gonna have to excuse the mess. I was so excited for this package that I had to start filming right away. I've been waiting for this for over a month and I didn't actually realize it came from the Netherlands to Portland, Oregon. So that's why it took so long, but this is the Daphnes Diary planner for 2022 and we're gonna open it together. The package was a bit messed up, so I'm hoping that this is okay. It definitely looks, oh no, it looks like there was some water damage, so I'm hoping it looks okay. So it is packaged very, very nicely. So we'll just, I've never ordered anything from this company. I've always wanted to. So this is all new to me. It looks like there's some little freebies in here. So, okay. Having this in my hand, I'm so excited because I really love my last year's planner. Let me just grab it so I can compare for you. And sorry, it's right here. So last year I used the Katie Daisy planner and I just loved the layout. I loved the size. This is a bit bigger, but that's okay, it's not too big. But I like the spiral and I just love how everything's already laid out and decorated for you. I just don't have a ton of time to be decorating. So let's just do a flip through. I know there's pockets in here, which I love because normally if I was doing my own planner or like customizing it, I would want to have pockets. And again, it's just all gorgeous and already decorated for you. And I love that there's like fold outs so you can see like a full page of, this looks like a 2022 like overview, so you can write down important things there, maybe birthdays or something like that. We have a spot for contacts. And then we'll be starting right here in January. So I believe there's a fold out full nice big calendar, and since this is a spiral, you can easily just lay it down on your desk and write, you know, on a flat area. I love how it's decorated. Okay, and then this is I think what I'm going to be most excited for. I know you probably just want to see the journal, but I love that you have a spot for writing something down every day, but I am a list person, and right here we have a little spot for just list or whatever you want. It says things to buy, things to do. I'll just be using it for a list, and I am so excited for that. I used to do planning videos. I don't know if any of you are from my older videos. I even did like bullet journaling for a bit and I just loved it. I just didn't have time. Junk journaling is more my passion. So if you want to maybe have me try doing some planner journal or some planning videos for you guys in this planner, I can definitely give that a try since I used to do it. I just find that most of my audience now is here for junk journals, so I definitely want to try to give you the content that you want, but I also like to share what I am interested in. So I'm going to go a bit faster, but you can see every month is just decorated a bit different. Oh, this came in just in time because I'll tell you, I was really needing my new planner. This is cute, a little coloring sheet, and then it looks like you get some little postcards. That's really cute. Was not expecting that. Hello March. So just like my old planner, it kind of seems like each month has a different theme. I love how this is watercolory, and I like it says how do you feel, so you can choose good, okay, bad, and color in your little boxes. And this is like such a simple thing, but I love that it's planned out for you. Like I said, this did take over a month to get here, and I was worried it was lost, but I didn't realize it was coming from the Netherlands, to be quite honest, and so I'm guessing just ordering something around this busy time of year, maybe that's why. Oh, this is so beautiful, but I'm already sold. It was worth the wait. Shipping was a bit expensive, but I was able to get this one for like half off, or it was like a Black Friday deal. Thanks to one of my beautiful subscribers that told me about it. Look at that, a water tracker. So it wasn't, I don't remember the price off the top of my head, but I feel like it was worth it. I like how each month also has a different like tracker or mood tracker. It's not the same every month, and I get really bored of doing the same layouts and same type of trackers every month. So I'm interested to see if I'll be into the trackers a bit more since they do change up. Just love the fold out calendars there. A little spot for a diary. You could totally add stickers to this, and honestly I feel like adding stickers to something like this for me would be a little less intimidating because you don't have a complete blank slate. You have something to work with, and this is another one of how do you feel, but you know, it's laid out a bit differently. Yeah, I'm so excited. Now I just want to go through a little bit quicker, but in case you were wanting to see every single page, maybe I'll try to do a quicker flip through on my TikTok page, and I could show every page, but I'll speed it up so it's a little faster. So if you want to see that, you can check it out there. I'm sure I'll get to it soon. This is such a pretty, like, look at this. I just love that it's like watercolory. I will say the paper feels a tiny bit thinner than what I'm used to. Almost like printer paper, I would say. Maybe a little bit thicker. Especially like these middle pages. Yeah, it's definitely like printer paper feel to it. So I'm fine with that. I don't use a ton of dark pens or markers in mine, but that might be something you want to keep in mind. I can maybe try to do like a pen test in this one. Again, if you have any requests or you did want to see anything specific, let me know, because I would be more than willing to make more videos about planning if someone is actually interested. So let's see, I'm trying to remember, I can't remember if this is a year planner, but basically, you know, it just keeps going on. Oh my goodness, this gorgeous layout here with the mushrooms. Don't even tell me this is for September. Yep, that's my birthday month. Oh my gosh, this is divine. I gotta think of another word than beautiful and cute. And there's more postcards, a lot of different things in here, and I just love that. Oh, this is a walking tracker. Look at that. That would be good. I definitely am already getting like some inspiration, so can't wait to get started. We're back to November. December. Oh my gosh. This is so me. I'm so glad that I got this. I just wanted to see, like, oh gosh, the pages are just so beautiful. I can't get over it. Oh, it looks like you get some, I don't know if these are stickers. It looks like stickers. Yep. Some stickers in the back here, just a few. Nothing that I really love, but it's nice to have them there. And then you have another pocket. So yeah, it goes from January of this year to December of this year. So you'll need a new planner after Christmas time next year, but this is just, I'm so excited for it. I don't love the cover, I'm going to be completely honest. It is kind of like a shiny, glossy feel to it. I think this art is really pretty and I can definitely appreciate it. It's just not exactly my thing. But I love, honestly, everything else in here I love. I just don't love the cover so much. But I don't really care because for me, I never see the cover. I always have mine open to the date I need. Let's take a peek and just see all of the little freebies they added. I'm guessing these are freebies. I don't know that they necessarily came with the diary. So this is fun. It looks like it's like a little gingerbread house fold out. I'll put this in my Christmas stuff for next year. I think it folds out a little bit bigger. That's really cute. my Christmas stuff is already put away, but here's a bookmark, and that's not Christmassy, so that will be nice to actually just pop in here, and then I can use that to hold any place that I need. It looks like you get like some little washi tape strips. Again, they're Christmassy. I did order this in November, so that makes sense. Coloring sheet. It says mindfulness coloring. I think that one of my kids might like this. This is a little like, it feels like the water actually got through a little bit to this. But again, it's not a big deal. It's been through the mail for a very long time, so. These are like some little frames, I guess. Yeah, you can cut those out. And then I think this looks like another coloring sheet. And yeah, this one definitely has some water damage. So I'm sure I can just lay this out and it'll be fine. At least it's this and not my actual journal, because I would be really bummed if that were it. So these are like some maps that I think you can go ahead and color. So that's everything, guys, for this video. Again, this is from Daphnes Diary, if you can see that. I just ordered straight from the website. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you later. Bye.